Most people don't have the close connection to the protein that they're going to eat. Catch a fish and really have a personal connection to this luxury item. My name's Shawn Adler. I'm a chef of the Flying Chestnut Kitchen and Powwow Cafe. Today's a beautiful winter day in February, and we're going to see what we can catch. What's great about ice fishing is we have a heater. It's beautiful, it's warm. You get to turn off your phone, get away from civilization for a bit, and really get in tune with nature and enjoy the winter, which is nice. No reason to slum it when you're ice fishing. Nice big thermos of coffee, keeps you warm all day. So what we're fishing for, what we're hoping is rainbow trout or maybe perch. Bass is out of season right now. What we're looking for is like a nice wild fish, which throughout the year, the flavor and texture changes a little bit with a wild fish. Yeah, so I'm trying to emulate sort of how a fish would move by giving it jerky little motions so it looks appetizing to a delicious trout to chomp on there. And I'm holding my rod in such a way that I can really feel it right from the rod if I do get a bite. I'm from Treaty 3 around Thunder Bay area, from Lac du Mille First Nation. Being out of my treaty zone, I don't have the inherent right to hunt, fish, or trap in this territory, so I had to go to the local hardware store and buy myself a fishing license. Would we be up north in my territory, I wouldn't need a fishing license, but it's a good policy to ensure you have a license, you don't want to get fined, and you do want to help support a proper way of fishing and ensure conservation of our natural resources, which are delicious fish. We got our charcoal barbecue set up. It's a nice, simple setup, a cast iron pan, nice and heavy so it holds the heat. Barbecue grill, and just a nice heavy frying pan. We're gonna fry our fish that we catch today, maybe make a nice sandwich. So we'll just light her up, maybe. I'm getting hungry. I can feel my stomach growling, so hopefully the fish are as hungry as I am. So I'm getting a little bite here. I can feel it just ever so slightly. I think it might have taken the bait. Let's see. So every good ice fisherman knows you should come prepared, just in case, like today, we didn't catch anything. I've got this delicious homemade pork sausage and fry bread. We're gonna make some sandwiches on our little grill here. We've got charcoal, and I'm heating up just some oil. We're gonna fry our bread, cook some sausage, have a great meal. So I've got this fry bread here. This is a traditional fry bread recipe. I'm gonna make it flat like this so our sausage will fit on that nicely. So when making fry bread, I'm only gonna put 4 in. We don't wanna overcrowd the pan and have the oil temperature drop too far, and we don't want the bread steaming. So that's a good temperature we're at here. 350 degrees is what we're looking for. Probably takes about 3 minutes per side. Fry bread is our traditional bread. Most indigenous peoples across North America have some form of fry bread or bannock. This is my fry bread recipe for my family. What it is, historically, there was no wheat flour in North America. It came over with the settlers in 1492. It's a modern day traditional bread. Some people make it bannock and cook it over over coals. Some people fry it, some people bake it in a cast iron pan. It's a delicious bread. Every culture basically has bread, and this is the bread I grew up eating. You could put on it nice pan-fried fillet of perch or rainbow trout, or in this case, some nice homemade pork sausage. The aroma of these sausages is great. Like I said, you always gotta come prepared, plan for the worst, and we're still gonna get a delicious meal. So on the bottom of the fry bread, we're putting this delicious fiddlehead tartar sauce. We've got our Dijon mustard and our homemade charcoal grilled sausage. So that's an amazing meal for an ice fishing day. The sausage could be perch, pickerel, rainbow trout, any which way. That's a great sandwich right there. Fry bread is hot, crispy, goes well with the sausage. All this ice fishing makes you hungry.